Hey guys, Jodie Osofsky, Signature Real Estate Utah here. Okay, so spring is finally in the air, and I want to talk with you a little bit about some of the misconceptions people have when getting ready to sell their home. So many people watch way too much HGTV. I've been guilty. And you think you pretty much have to move out in order to sell your home. There are some agents that will come in and tell you to clear out your, I've heard clear out your pantries and closets 50%. They're just trying to sound official, in my opinion. I don't think there's any set rule there that makes a home sell more than another. Every home is unique and different, and I think you have to treat it that way. One thing that I have found super helpful, and I've had other clients recently really love, is Kondo. She's adorable. If you guys haven't watched this Netflix special, you totally should. But there's a ton of great tips in here to just help us remember what's important. And the best time to go through and declutter or minimalize our belongings is before you move, so there's less to pack, right? So many people make the mistake of packing and then dealing with it after they get in their new home. Yeah, I'm giving her a big plug, holding it up here, aren't I? But you really want to do that before you move. So if you have questions, you're curious what it's going to take, you're feeling overwhelmed, always call Jodie. That's why you call me. I will come help you. All right, talk to you soon.